8 greater than 7. Hello everyone, I'm Lisa, your teacher. I will be the one to help and guide you for continuous learning. But before I start, I would like to thank my viewers, my subscribers. Thank you very much. Today's topic is about comparing numbers. Before I proceed, please watch the whole episode. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe, and click the bell button for you to be updated. So for today's topic, this is for the small one and for the parent. And in this episode, I will give you a tip to teach your children in comparing the numbers. Also, this episode is for the learners who are answering their modules as well. Actually, this topic is difficult for the beginners to understand. When they see the symbols of less than, greater than, and equals, there is a confusion of what is less than and what is greater than. So for my first tip for them to remember the less than and the greater than, I use my left hand as a guide. And if the children or the child doesn't know yet the left and right, I always told them that the left usually wears watch. And it also holds the fork when you are. My next tip is that I tell them a story. Children are very much interested with the story. So my story goes like this. When I was a child, I played a computer game titled Pac-Man. So here it is. And yes, it looks like this. It has a big mouth and it is voracious. It eats everything. And it eats more food. So if Pac-Man has to choose of what to eat, it always choose more food and it opens its mouth to a greater food. Pac-Man's mouth is look like the symbols of less than and greater than. So if you are going to compare the numbers, you observe carefully. And Pac-Man opens its mouth to a greater food. Let's take an example. 8 plus 7. So with this number, 8 plus 7, Pac-Man always open its mouth on a bigger or more food. So what number or which of this number is bigger or greater? Yes, it's 8. So Pac-Man can open its mouth. So we are going to read this as 8 greater than 7. What if 10? 5 blank 10. Always remember, Pac-Man opened its mouth to a greater number. So which one is greater? 5 or 10? Yes, you're correct. It's 10. So, symbol will be like this. So we are going to read it as 5 less than 10. What if I'm going to give you 10 blank 10? 10 blank 10. So, Pac-Man will be confused now. So, how is he going to open its mouth? So, it looks like 10 equals 10. See the doesn't know where he's going to pick if 10 or the other 10. So, it is this one. How are we going to answer the sets of problems? 6 blank 4, 3 blank 9, 4 blank 3 plus 1. So, 6 blank 4, always remember, Pacman does eat more food. Pacman open its mouth to a more or a greater food. So, let's answer 6 blank 4. This is, where is a greater one? Yes, it is 6. So, Pacman open its mouth to a greater number. So, 6 is greater than 4. For the next problem, 3 blank 9. Again, Pacman open its wide mouth to a greater number. 9 is a greater number. So, 3 is less than 9. How about if 4 blank 3 plus 1? How are we going to answer this one? Okay, let's answer the other problem first. It's 3 plus 1. So, 3 plus 1 is 4. So, 4 blank 4 is equal. So, that's all for now. I hope you learned from this episode. Before I go, please don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and click the bell button so you will be updated. So, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye!